Hello, and thank you for stopping by. This is Joe Z here, just giving a shout out to all my friends and relatives who moved and lived down south to show you what you've been missing. Last night we got down to a low of 7 degrees, and today was a bright sunny day, reaching the low 20s. Don't you just miss this? Well, Johnny and I have to knock these icicles down before we head in for the night. And to everyone, enjoy, stay warm, and above all, be safe. Until next time. Back. Here we go. It's high up. Afternoon for that.
Grandpa, don't hit them hard.
See that ice overhanging like that? That's not good for the shingles. Let's see if I get it from this side. It's a little too high. I don't think I can reach. I thought I could reach with this.
Go on your tippy toes.
That's one of my tippy toes.
Heavy, huh?
Break that window.
Uh-huh. Oh, hi, Soxy.
These are pretty thick.
Uh-huh. No, don't leave those two up there. Ooh, you got one down. Didn't break. That one you broke. Ooh. Soxy's in my window.
Yeah. I hope I don't put this rake in your window. That won't be good.
Especially for Sox. Soxy's scared.
Wow, look how tough that is on ice, huh?
Yeah.
See, that's no good. Because the ice could pull the shingles down, too. I mean, they're nailed in. But still, well, that's all I'm going to do now. I'm not going to mess around with it anymore. Did you get it all?
Uh-huh.
You got them falling down?
Yep.
Did they jingle?